All right, let's talk about something every serious trader knows all too well, that pre-market scramble. That stressful manual race against the clock. Well, today we're going to talk about making the leap from that chaos to a professional-grade automated system. We're going to break down exactly how you can build what I call an options intelligence pipeline. So here's the game plan. We're going to start by talking about the manual trading trap. It's a problem so many of us fall into. Then we'll get to the good stuff, the automated solution, and we'll unpack the five-stage assembly line that makes it all tick. We'll even see it tear through a real-world example, and then we'll wrap up by looking at the massive advantage this kind of automation gives you. Okay, so let's kick things off with a problem that I'm willing to bet hits close to home for a lot of you. It's what I call the 30-minute problem. It's that tiny window before the market opens, a frantic race against time that, let's be honest, you almost never win. Sound familiar? You've got your watch list, maybe 20 stocks deep. You're bouncing between browser tabs, pulling up options chains, trying to calculate ratios, hunting for any sign of unusual activity. And then it happens. The opening bell rings, and by the time you found something that actually looks promising, the move is already over. The market is left without you. It's this constant feeling of being one step behind. And at this, right here, this really gets to the heart of the matter. On one side, you've got manual analysis. It's slow, it's inconsistent. I mean, did you check everything the same way you did yesterday? And it's incomplete, you just can't see the whole board. But on the other side, you have the automated pipeline, and it's the exact opposite. It is lightning fast, it's 100% reliable, and it gives you this comprehensive bird's eye view of the entire market. It's the difference between playing catch-up and being ahead of the game. Okay, so we've identified the problem. Now let's talk about the solution, how we get from hours of grinding work down to just milliseconds of processing. Let's talk about the options intelligence pipeline. So what is this thing really? Well, the best way to think about it is like a factory assembly line, but for data. You've got your raw materials, in this case, raw options chain data, that go in one end. The system then takes over. It processes, it analyzes, it refines everything. And then out the other end comes a finished product. A crystal clear, actionable trading signal. And when you put this thing to work, the benefits, they're just staggering. You can process your entire watch list in under 2 minutes. Every single analysis is perfectly consistent, which takes human error and emotion right out of the equation. The system can monitor the market 24/7, flagging moves while you're asleep. And the speed? We're talking millisecond latency. That's fast enough to actually power algorithmic execution. All right, so how does this factory actually work under the hood? Let's break the whole process down into a really simple 5-stage assembly line. This logical flow is really the engine of the whole system. First, it fetches the raw data from APIs. Super simple. Second, it processes that data, cleaning it up and calculating all the key metrics, things like gamma exposure, which tells us how market makers are positioned. Third, and this is a step people always try to skip, it stores all that data. Fourth, it analyzes everything, applying your logic to hunt for a signal. And then finally, step 5, it alerts you when it finds a high-confidence opportunity. Now, I want to pause for a second on that third stage, storing data. There's this really common impulse, especially when you're first building something like this, to just process the real-time data and then, just throw it away. And let me tell you, this is an absolutely critical mistake. And here's why. Without historical data, you have zero context. How do you know if the implied volatility right now is high or low? You have no idea unless you can compare it to the last year of data. How do you spot unusual volume? You have to compare today's volume to, say, the 20-day average. Storing data isn't just a nice-to-have, it's the absolute foundation for any kind of intelligent analysis. Okay, theory is great, but let's put this factory to the test. Let's run a real-world example. We're going to feed it data for SPY, the big S&P 500 ETF, and we're going to watch it go from raw numbers to a high-confidence signal in less time than it takes you to blink. First up, the put/call ratio. The pipeline grabs the data and bam, it clocks it at 0.64. Now, because that number is well below 1, it tells us that traders are buying way more calls, bets on the price going up, than puts. That's our first clue. It's bullish. Next, it crunches the net gamma exposure. The result? A positive $2.3 billion. That is a huge number. And what that means, in simple terms, is that market makers are in a position where they tend to suppress volatility. They buy the dips and they sell the rips, which helps keep the market stable and pinned. That's our second bullish clue. And then the system goes hunting for big money footprints. And boy, does it find one. It flags the $460 strike calls, which are trading at nearly 11 times their average daily volume. You can't miss that. That is a giant institutional footprint right there. So what happens now? The pipeline takes these three separate puzzle pieces, the bullish put/call ratio, the stable positive gamma, and that massive unusual call volume, and it synthesizes them. It puts them all together into one single unified output, a high-confidence bullish signal. And the punchline? The total time for that entire process, from fetching the data to running three complex calculations to reaching a final conclusion, just 130 milliseconds. That is literally faster than you can blink. It's just incredible. So let's bring this all home in our final section here. What does this all really mean for you? This is your automation advantage. And it's not just about cool technology. It's about gaining a real, tangible edge in the market through speed, clarity, and control. This is so cool. When you actually break down where that time goes, look at this. The biggest bottleneck by far, at 87 milliseconds, is just waiting for the API to send back the data. The actual thinking, all the heavy lifting of processing and analyzing, is done in a combined 43 milliseconds. The efficiency is just off the charts. So what does this give you? What do you gain? You gain speed, which means you can finally act on opportunities instead of just watching them fly by. You gain consistency, taking human error and emotion completely out of your analysis. You get a comprehensive view of the whole market, not just one stock at a time. And maybe most importantly, you gain control. You get to wake up to a finished intelligence report, not a frantic to-do list. Which brings us right back to where we started. Instead of spending that first half hour of your day just scrambling to catch up, the work is already done for you. So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. What could you do with an extra 30 minutes every single morning? Plan your trades with a clear head? Dig deeper into one high-conviction idea? Or hey, maybe just drink your coffee in peace? The choice is yours.